Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is January 14, 2015, and today is Wednesday. So looking at the markets, as well predicted in the GBP yesterday, big numbers came out and affected the market. Today we have some numbers coming out of the USD, retail sales at 3:30 South African time, and then at 4:15 we have numbers coming out of the GBP again. Governor Carney is going to be speaking, so that should rattle the markets. But looking just briefly in the markets, and let's start with the GBP USD. We bounced up a little bit yesterday, which was, we sold off and then we bounced back, which is relatively anticipated for this levels. Trading at 152, bouncing off 151. We're looking at it bouncing. So, if it continues this rally, maybe it could challenge this 154, 155 level and, fill this gap right over here. So, it looks like it's consolidating, looks like it's firming up, and so you need to keep an eye out on that today, definitely. Looking at the Dow Jones quickly, the markets rebounded after hours, but we had a sell-off, a further sell-off yesterday, if you see this red bar right here, where we touched 17,500. I actually anticipated this. I may not have mentioned it previously, but I anticipated that we retraced down to 17,500 and then we bounce off of it. I think we're going to trade within this range for the next couple of months until there's a clear direction as where we're going to be going. But, I would still keep it on my radar. The Dow Jones is still trading, and especially if you're trading within this range, you could be making some decent money. Looking at gold, gold trading at 1230, went up all the way up to 1233. Look at it in an 8-hour chart. Went all the way up to 1240 actually, and now retracing a little bit. On the downside, you have some support at 1215, 1220-ish level, and that might be a impetus to take it up to 1250 level, 1255 level. So, it is consolidating and making higher highs slowly. It's trending, but not trending in a in an uptrend per se. It's trading within the range. The upper range 1252, the lower range 1140. So, is it a great trade? No, but you could definitely scalp it and definitely take some base hits on it, as we call it, and just try to capitalize on some smaller deals. Looking at the crude oil. Crude oil back at $45. We bounced a little bit, some short covering of 46. And I still think we're going to hit $40 a barrel, and that's still doable if we don't break this 44.50 level, which is a short-term support level, as you can see here. But definitely hit $40 a barrel. Once it's going to, breaking down this far, there's no reason for it to go even further. So, looking at the markets, really. The GBP is still on the agenda. Euro USD, as you can see, is pretty much flatlined. We're pretty much back on the bottom of our lows. Trading at 117, we sold off from 118 to 117.75, which is about an 80 pip move, a 50 pip move, excuse me. So we're back on the lower range of it, but for it to really break down further, I think you're going to have to see this 1760 area really be tanking out with a big bar, and then then we could go as far down as 115, and then further to 110. But I would look to maybe see if it consolidates here in this level and just sideways trades for now until it firms up. This is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day.